we can see the resistor are burning because of the short circuit. Someone bring me to repair this circuit. I am going to repair this circuit. We can see the resistor all already burned. Now I am going to use this capacitor for temporary, just for use once to repair the circuit. Later I will change this. Here need big capacitor, but if I use big capacitor now, then it will make problem to repair. For this case, I am using this small one. This capacitor is small but very strong one. Original capacitor from Sony sound system. I take those capacitor from Sony amplifier. Now I am using this capacitor for a while, for temporary use, to make AC to DC voltage. Now need 1 voltage to repair this circuit. I am using this transformer. Here need AC voltage, center tap voltage. I am using this wire for taking the voltage from the transformer to the circuit. This circuit need AC voltage. This is the ground. The blue one is the ground. This one is the AC. This one is AC. Okay. Now need to connect the AC 220 voltage. This is the AC 220 voltage. AC 220. Now you can see it has 3 terminal to connect the AC voltage. Need to soldering the wire. This one is the ground. Now I'm going to connect directly to the circuit. This is the AC. This is the AC. Now connection ready. Okay. Look, the resistance burning. When I connect the voltage, the resistance is burning. So I have to check this transistor. I have to check this transistor, all transistor. First I take out the resistance. I am taking out the resistance and desoldering. I have to change the resistance. This one also, another one. Okay, now I disconnect the resistance. Now I have to check the transistor. Here this transistor looks okay. This one also okay. This one also okay. Every transistor looks okay. This one also looks okay. This one maybe got problem. I have to check this one. The people when use the transistor, they fixed the leg. It's very bad to open. Okay, check out this one, MJE 340. It's okay. Sometimes it's showing okay but not working. This transistor showing okay. When get voltage, that time cannot work. Look, this generator is short. The generator is short. Need to change the generator. 100% problem. 100% problem. The generator. I have to change the generator. Fully short. Need to change. It's short. This one is 1N4148. I am fixing back the transistor. Fix back the transistor. This one 220 ohms. I am changing the resistance. 220 ohms. This one also need to change. Here this one is 100 ohms. 100 ohms. I'm going to change the resistance. This is 100 ohms. It's 100 ohms resistance. Now this one is 470, 400, 465, 470 ohms. 470 ohms. Now I have to change the diode, Zener diode. The Zener diode will show one side is around 600 ohms, another side will not show. Just one is okay. But if look short, this problem. Okay, change this. Now I am going to use the transistor, the amplifier transistor main transistor. This one is This one is 1943, that one is 5200. One is 5200, another one is 1943. I am using this transistor for temporary. For to check the transistor, to check the circuit, it's okay or not. Now this side I am going to use this transistor. This side is okay. This side is okay. Now I am going to check this. I already changed those things: resistance, zener diode, and these two transistor. Resistance, zener diode, and that's two transistor. That's two transistor are showing okay, but not working well. This all are okay. Both side has no voltage. This side is also okay. When I touching the input, the output got voltage. Touching input, output got AC voltage. That means the circuit is working. Then look, touching input, the output got voltage. This one is a speaker ground, block 1, and this one is the speaker output. I'm touching input, the speaker is working, that means okay. The speaker is working, that means the circuit is okay. Now the circuit is working well. This circuit quality is not so good, not so bad, like that. Can use this circuit. I use those things: two resistance, two transistor, and one zener diode. Need another transistor, later I will use. Thank you for watching the video.